How you doing? Welcome back to Roccar Morphs. I was working on my baby rack today, and I was given the idea of doing a little video on how to install heat tape. Now I've got a little extra piece of 3-inch heat tape I picked up from Reptile Basics. They had it shipped out to my house. I ordered it on Tuesday, delivered it on Thursday. Great company, so if you wanted to get into some of this stuff, it's a great company to look up, reptilebasics.com. But here's the type of wood that I'm using for my shelves. I thought this would be a great way to show you rather than trying to see inside of the shelves where it's dark and everything. But I'm going to show you just the way that I do it. Using this metallic tape here. Cut off a couple pieces. I like to use smaller pieces in conjunction with some larger pieces. Just to give you an idea, what I've been doing, peel off the back side. It's that easy. Little tip from me to you. So I usually go to each corner on the back. Start with the tape, the metallic tape, lay it down nice and flat on my heat tape, and then smooth it back onto the shelf. I'll do that on both ends, so that way it keeps it laid out nice and straight. Then once I've got that done, I'll come back with some larger sheets. As you saw, I just cut it off the roll with a ordinary pair of scissors. And again, like I told you before, put that little fold in it. Makes life real easy. That way it doesn't try to recoil and fold back up on you. And what I do is, again, we'll start with the tape on the heat tape itself. Smooth it forward onto the shelf. That way it's nice and smooth. And I'll continue doing smaller pieces all the way across my shelf, so that way the entire leading edge of my shelf is nice and smooth. So as I come in with a tub and I'm sliding it onto the shelf, it's sliding right up on top of that heat tape. I don't have to worry about it coming in and hitting the front edge of that tape and buckling it up and bending it and causing it to get folded or crushed. That's how I do heat tape. Alright, now that you got your heat tape laid out, it's installed on all of your shelves, you gotta have a thermostat. We just got this one shipped in along with our heat tape. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you, show you what comes in it. This is a Bavarian Electronics VE200. This is actually my third Bavarian Electronics thermostat. You open it up, comes you all your instructions, everything you need to know. Hopefully I'll do it justice and kind of showing you the way. Inside of it, you have your thermostat. Comes with power cord and of course probe. Set this off to the side. It's really quite easy. You're going to take your power cord, goes right into the back. Your heat tape from Bavarian or from Reptile Basics. I got mine pre-assembled with power cord already on it. After you've laid that on your shelves, this gets plugged in right there on the back. It says AC out. Can't get any easier than that. Once you've got your power supply to your thermostat hooked up, you've got your heat tape hooked up to your thermostat. Thermostat has to know what's going on. So right here on the back of your thermostat, like I said, real easy. It says right there, probe. And that's where you plug it in. It's as simple as plugging in a phone cord. I know it's probably been a while since we've done that, but think of it kind of like a Ethernet cord for your computer. Since we're all used to those now, it just plugs right into the back. That easy. And of course, this probe, some people debate about what kind of tape you should use. Some use packing tape. I actually use this same metallic tape. I'll tape it right down on top. That way it stays secured right against the heat tape. So that way I know exactly what temperature this heat tape is, and I don't have to worry about it overheating my my tubs. We'll tape that down. After you get this all plugged in, you just follow your instructions. Use your on-screen menu. Use little clicky buttons. You get it to daytime and temperature. You set it to whatever temperature you'd like, and you're good to go. You set it, and it's that easy. You don't have to worry about it being too hot or too cold. Whatever that thermostat is set to, that's how warm this heat tape is going to get, and your reptiles will have a nice happy life. All you have to add is food and water, and you're good to go. Hopefully, again, I helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back. I'll show you some more cool stuff that I'm working on later.